In 2021, the engineers at Chinese National Nuclear Corporation at the Sanmen Unit 1 site embarked on an effort to optimize the qualified life of their most important safety components. Using these two reports, they were able to remove conservatism of the original qualification of these components that determined what qualified life they were able to be used in the plant. Their original focus was on 263 components, mainly small electrical devices like batteries, transmitters, solenoids, etc. And by removing conservatism and not the margins that were used in the original qualification studies for those components, they were able to extend the lifetime of those components between 67 and 200%. That resulted in savings of $20 million for that small scope of equipment. They project that if they continue to do these studies, they will end up with $168 million in savings over the life of the plant. An example was, for one specific set of transmitters, they were able to extend the qualified life from 6.5 to 10 years, and for another device, from 10 years to 20 years. What is unique about what was done here is that the CNNC engineers applied this methodology that was originally designed to be used for plants in the middle of their operating life to extend the longer-lived passive components. But by their applying it early in the operating life, they're able to gather the benefits of even less costly but more frequently replaced components over the entire operating period of the plant for the full 60 years, maximizing the benefits of this effort. That will also be beneficial to the entire industry as they apply this for the new plants that are being brought online.